That body? Beamin' girl. Beamin'. Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti, and yes, I got my inches right back in my hair. I went again to Karkafi and got my extensions reinstalled, and can I just tell you that I am loving it? It's like I just feel like I've regained back all my sass, if you know what I mean. So I just wanted to jump on here and do this quick little video for you guys because we are in the middle of summer here in the UAE, and I feel like we talk just so much about like skincare and hair care, and not a lot of people actually talk about body care. And it is the time that, at least I don't know about you guys, I at least am, chilling by the pool, going to the beach. So I kind of want the skin on, like, overall on my body also to be pretty banging, if you know what I mean. So I just wanted to share with you guys a couple of tips and tricks and hacks to kind of give you that summer body glow that we all want. So yeah, if you want to know my tips and tricks to get beautiful, glowing, beaming skin this summer, please keep watching. So first up, I have this coffee scrub that I wanted to discuss with you guys. It is such a super duper affordable and effective body scrub. All you need to do is 3 ingredients, add a little bit of coffee, put some brown sugar in it, and add, like, for me, I add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it up really well, and what I like doing is once I get into the shower, I'll kind of rinse myself, and mainly I concentrate this on my legs, and I really like scrub my legs in with this scrub. I take this and I really like scrub away any dead cells, etc. that I may have, and I also like keeping this scrub on for some time. I'll use like a cling wrap to wrap this scrub around my legs, keep it on for about say 10 minutes or so, and then rinse it off in the shower. Honestly, after I'm done rinsing this scrub off, my skin feels so soft, like it just feels like butter. I honestly feel like once I'm coming out of the shower, I'm like Chandan Sabadan Chanchal Chitvan Ye dekh ke mera dil muskaya. So the olive oil in this is really, really nourishing. The caffeine actually helps with cellulite, and brown sugar is an excellent exfoliant. So this scrub, honestly, it has changed my life. Just do it like twice a week and you are going to have beautiful, sexy, show-off worthy legs. Next up is definitely body lotion, and for me personally, I used to really like these fragrant body lotions because I used to be like, after you come out of the shower, you just want to smell nice and you want to like lather yourself up with a lot of body lotion. But I have realized over the past few years that the fragrant ones don't really do much of moisturization to your body. So I would rather pick like a moisturizing body lotion for actually giving my skin on my body that needed moisture, rather than just something that is fragrant, because I feel like I can always wear like a nice deodorant and a perfume to smell good. So I prefer either this Vaseline one or the other Nivea one. Currently I'm using this Vaseline one, which I am absolutely in love with. It spreads very, very evenly onto your skin. It doesn't leave any like patchy, greasy marks. It also absorbs into my skin very, very quickly because I'm always in a rush, like after I come out of the shower, like ain't nobody got time for that, honey. So after I'm coming out of the shower, I quickly go in with this body lotion, and it smells amazing and gives me the moisture that my body needs. Next up is something so important, but I'm sure a lot of you guys skip on this. Trust me, I also used to skip on this majorly, and that is SPF. Oh my god. I feel like everybody puts and slathers their face with SPF and literally forgets about the fact that they have a body also to take care of. I know I used to be that person. So also I feel like being here now in UAE, in Dubai, is just so hot, and literally even if you go outside for 2 seconds, you will feel your skin burn, and it's that hot. So I feel like because of that, I'm a little more careful of wearing SPF on a everyday basis. And definitely if I'm going to the beach or chilling by the pool, like on a weekend or something, I will definitely wear SPF. The one that I'm using here is by Hawaiian Tropic. Trust me, this is my new favorite SPF for the body and for the face. I believe this is like a UK brand, which is like this is like a drugstore UK brand. I was actually introduced to this over here in Dubai, and it is just the best sunscreen that I have found. It doesn't turn like purple on brown skin, and it doesn't like give you that greasy feel. It absorbs into your skin pretty quickly, and this particular one has like 50 SPF, so which is great for, you know, the time that you're going to be spending in the sun. And yeah, please do not skip on SPF on your body. And everyone's like, oh, mujhe mere face ko bachana hai, but you also have to take care of your body. So going that extra step and actually wearing sunscreen, especially 20 minutes before you step into the sun, is a very, very good habit to get into. Next up is the exciting part, which is the body glow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I honestly right now am living for body makeup, and I feel like this is just something that I needed in my life, if you know what I mean. Because I actually am not sure if I have ever discussed this on this channel before, but I have a skin allergy condition called lichen planus. It gives me like these really weird like black scars all over my body. So a lot of times I would see comments saying, oh, you have like scars all over your body. I'm like, yeah, I know, because I have a skin allergy. So but I feel like having something like this, which is the Nymph Nacho Mama's pantyhose, I love wearing this, especially if I'm going to the beach or something, because I feel it blurs my skin out like nobody's business. It gives me the most amazing, gleaming, like glowing to the gods kind of glow. And literally, like when I walk into the sun, it feels like my skin is shining brighter than the brightest diamond out there. So it gives you so much of that, you know, sexy oomph that is just, it's amazing. The current one that I've been using is definitely the Huda one. I haven't tried any of the other ones. I believe like the KKW one is also something that people are going crazy about. Personally, I haven't tried it, so I cannot tell you. But I have tried the Huda Beauty one. Actually, I've tried it on my face and my body, and I am currently loving it. Last but definitely not the least, I feel like all of the things that we spoke about in the video will really not be effective or of any use if you don't go through the process of, you know, proper body hair removal. And I feel like each to their own. Personally speaking, I really like getting a wax, because I feel like the feel that I get now after I like get my hands, legs, everything waxed, like it just, जैसे पानी ऐसे ना सर्र करके चला जाता है ना, बड़ा मजा आता है. Comment down below if you relate to this, because trust me, I know you do. I know you do. Personally, I like waxing, but I know a lot of people out there really like shaving and stuff also, and or either using like wheat or something for which is like a hair depilatory cream. Whichever hair removal method best suits you, go ahead, do that. And yeah, I feel like once you do that and then go through the scrub and then all the things, and then like you're just gonna be beach ready, honey. And all the men out there be like, dang girl, that body, beaming girl, beaming. So yes, I think that is all that I have to share with you guys today. Let me know in the comments section down below if you guys have any other hacks for me. I would love to try out. Like, you know, sharing is caring, if you know what I mean. And subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, because 150k soon, please. Yay. For doing that, you also have to hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Oh my god, like saying keep it bossy with these inches. Sass is back, bitches.